Ka-Office Deputy Commissioner Ribhoy District, haka Arpasau Tarik Risau, Kalasoy ya kejingnya menjur lang baro arliang, Memorandum of Understanding MOU, but ka Oil India Limited, ka company san umpniang petrol diesel, jong ka Sorkar India ban Shna, sau punyaw tali ki pankhana bapaka, na kabenta ki khana Skul Kynthei, haki sau punyaw tali ki Skul Ribhoy District, ki bampat don yukum kini ki Jaka Leitbar. Deputy Commissioner Ribhoy District, Abhilash Baranwal, ulay thu ikilat pathay Khubor, Khubor Sanchar District, kilakarpat yu Hardeep Singh Puri, Umintri ka Petroleum and Natural Gas ka Sorkar India, habaw lawan jungo ya ka Ribhoy District dangshen, ban kintiw ya ka khut ka suba na kabenta ki Khynnah Kynthei, hagi Skul jungani ka district. But day ka jingmenjur jong uni Umintri ka Sorkar India, ulabatha ya ka Oil India Limited ban pentre kam ya kani ka jingtmu. Lingba kini ke MOU balaya soy menta kasngi ke Oil India Limited kan Beijing lot na kabenta kini ke kam ke bekenjo syaka nyopu arlak Tyngka layat ho UDC.
Was signed today by District Administration and primarily DRDA with Oil India Limited, which is a public sector undertaking in the field of oil and gas exploration. This MOU was regarding construction of 47 girls' toilet in schools where no separate girl toilet is present as of now. This MOU was signed based on our request to Honorable Union Minister of Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas, Shri Hardeep Singh Puri sir, when he had visited Ribhoi. So we placed request that 47 schools are there which do not have a separate girls' toilet. He immediately directed Oil India Limited, and through that, today we are signing an MOU today. 47 girls' toilet at the total cost of around rupees 70 lakhs plus. Started, we'll write to them for releasing the first installment, and thereafter the construction work will start. Oil India Limited being a central government company, they have very strict control over the quality parameters and etc. So they will also be supervising from their end, and from district administration will be supervising. So hopefully we'll be able to complete all these toilet constructions by Christmas.
So are you happy with this MOU being signed today, sir?
Absolutely, absolutely. So Ribhoi is an aspirational district as well. Niti Aayog regularly monitors different indicators, development indicators. One of the development indicator is how many schools have separate girls' toilet, and we always used to, feel sorry for the schools which do not have separate girls' toilet. And fortunately, now that we have signed this MOU, hopefully every school will be covered through this.